1000 rupees for a wireless neckband earphone is a very risky price point because beyond a certain point, cost cutting can result in serious compromises. But Mivi is a brand that has delivered some very good value products, so let's check out if their new Color Classic neckband earphone is worthy of a purchase, and we'll also compare it with some of its competitors. In the box, you get some papers along with the earphones, and you also get ear tips of different sizes along with a micro USB charging cable. These earphones do have a micro USB port for charging, but that is completely fine at this price. The design of the Color Classic is pretty decent, but its build does have a very budget feeling to it. It does feel pretty strong and actually more durable than some more expensive options, even though its plastic does feel a little cheap. But the earphone housing does have a metal cover, which is great for the price. You can use the buttons on the neckband to play, pause, control volume, change tracks, and call Google Assistant, but these buttons aren't easy to press and they have to be pressed in a specific way, otherwise they may not get activated. Along with Bluetooth 5.0, it also supports multi-point connection, so you can connect two devices to it at the same time. The size of the Color Classic is larger and bulkier than other neckbands, so you do feel it hanging around your neck, but it's not as heavy as it looks. It curves nicely around your neck, and the earphones also fit well in your ears, so these are also comfortable like most neckbands earphones I have used. The earbuds on these also attach to each other magnetically, and even though the magnetic attachment isn't as strong as other earphones, it works well enough. The reason for their larger size is partly due to their bigger battery, which delivers around 24 hours of playback on a single charge, and they also have a quick charging feature, so that is really nice and not just for the price point. And this is going to be a microphone test for the Mivi Color Classic, so you can hear what it sounds like. I think it sounds pretty good and you shouldn't have any issues while using these for calling. We also have an IPX5 water resistance rating on it, so it is sweat proof and it can handle splashes of water. Finally, coming to their sound quality, it is actually really nice. I wasn't expecting it to be so decent at this price point. I have tried some other 1000 rupees neckbands before, but they had some serious issues with their frequency response. But the Mivi Color Classic is pretty disciplined in this area. It does have a moderately V-shaped sound signature, so the bass is a little boosted, but it's not overdone and it can sound quite fun. Listening to electronic music on this is pretty enjoyable. The treble is also a little boosted, but it doesn't feel harsh, which is really great to see at this price point. The Color Classic does sound punchy without sounding cheap, and the detail level on it is also pretty good for the price. Do give this video a thumbs up if you've been enjoying it so far, and you can also subscribe to the channel with bell so you don't miss out on future videos. The mids on these are a little recessed and there is some upper mids boost in the vocals, but you can use these equalizer settings to make the overall sound more balanced and bring the focus back to the vocals. I am getting quite technical here for a 1000 rupees neckband earphone, but overall it sounds pretty good for its price. There aren't any major compromises and even their soundstage is as good as the more expensive neckbands. Now to compare it with the more expensive options, the Oppo Enco M31 is the best neckband under 2000 rupees, and at 1800 rupees it is better than the Color Classic in most ways, but it is also 80% more expensive, so that is not a surprise. But compared to the Boat Rockers 255 Pro Plus Max Ultra Double Diamond Ultimate, which is priced 40% higher at 1400 rupees, the Mivi Color Classic actually has a more balanced sound signature, and in comparison, the Boat earphone just has an overwhelming level of bass, and the vocals on the Boat also don't sound as smooth as the Mivi Color. So with all that in mind, the Mivi Color Classic is a really great option at just 1000 rupees. I really didn't expect such a mature approach to sound at this price point, and the only negative about it is that the buttons on it are a little difficult to press. So I'll have links to buy this in the video description. Let me know what you think about this affordable option in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it or a thumbs down if you disliked it. Subscribe with bell, follow me on socials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.